I don't see many leaflets. There is not enough clear guidance as to what can be recycled.
Before, we just had plain black bins. None of this labelling here. It's cleaner looking, the bins are nice and bright and well labelled, and the signage is really good. This is new, a new sign as well, and I think it really does make a difference.
On the right, I have the paper bag, which I use as a recycling bin. That's because I have lack of space here.
We always have, you know, a bag hanging on the side.
Maybe a bag, just a bag for recycling, you know, once a week or whatever would probably make people recycle more.
There are only these 2 recycling bins for sort of the whole block of flats, so it is generally a good idea to do it just after they've taken out the recycling. You need to feel like you're not just chipping away at something by yourself that's not going anywhere. You need to feel like other people are doing things with you and it's moving.
If they were going to give us some feedback about how the kind of work that we're doing by recycling, then that would definitely help, especially in the area that we're living, what impact us doing our recycling is having on the area. That would be really, really good.